Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your work. Back up all projects, templates, and custom instruments off the system drive. Once done, quit Logic completely and open Finder. Navigate to your User Library Preferences folder. You delete the main Logic preference files. This removes corrupted or bad preference entries that often cause odd behavior. Make sure to empty the trash so Mac OS removes the files. This first action forces Logic to rebuild default settings on next launch and addresses common startup faults. Now you move into the deeper cleanup phase to catch lingering configuration problems. First, delete audio unit cache folders so broken plugin state can't crash or hang Logic. This forces a fresh scan. Next, inspect application support and vendor plugin folders and remove stale presets or corrupted plugin state files. That often resolves missing instrument or effect errors. If you use MIDI controllers, remove leftover control surface or driver list files and preferences. After these steps, Mac OS and Logic will reinitialize plugin and MIDI setups cleanly. Finish by rebooting your Mac to clear system caches and reload core audio drivers. You then launch Logic and test with a small project to confirm audio devices, I/O buffer, and plugin scans are normal. If something still fails, reinstall Logic or restore previous files from your backup selectively. This pinpoints the bad component. For troubleshooting, check console logs and Logic's crash reports for specific plugin or driver errors. If a plugin is at fault, remove it and rescan.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.